Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Aviator Predictor app on your mobile phone. So first of all what you need to do is just open up any of your browser in your PC or laptop and just search on the Google Aviator Predictor. Aviator Predictor. Just change the both to app. So search this Aviator Predictor app GitHub, and once you search this press enter, and after that scroll down and find this option called Aviator dash app GitHub topics. So just open this in a new tab or in the same tab, that is your choice. And once you're on this page, so scroll down a bit and you will see this one called P120S Aviator. So there are like many multiple options, so just ignore all of them and find this one called P120S Aviator. So just click on this Aviator and it will take you to this page. So scroll down and from here just click on download, and once you download you can just download the application for your just like mobile phone, Android or iOS or Windows. And once you download that you will be able to use it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can use Aviator Predictor app in your mobile phone or Android or Windows or iOS.